Hey gamers, today we're going to play Lava Flood. I think it's cool. Let's get started. If you want, you can put comments down below to give me some cool challenges I can do for you guys. Like, I don't know. Cool stuff. Anyway, there's a flood of lava coming and I have to avoid it. Oh, I died. I have to restart. That was just the cat meowing if you heard it. Let's run. Bye. Well, that's it for this video, gamers. Bye.